Germany, there is a road that's called Autobahn road. In Autobahn road, you drive, there is no speed limit. That means you can go from 0 up to 260. Why this is so important? This is important because many a time in our life, if you see a BMW coming from the manufacturer, it's said to go from 0 to 260. But because it drives in just general roads, it never realized its full potential. They only have to drive maybe to 120, 80, according to the rules and regulation of speed limit. This is like in our life where we are only drive or according to the speed limit that has been put in our life. But if you need to go above the speed limit of our life, you need to be able to go where you can manifest your full potential. If you need to live according to the full potential, you need to break that barrier that has been put in our life.